Welcome, in front of me is ASUS ZenBook A14, and in this video I will show you how to enable portable hotspot on this laptop. First, hover your mouse pointer over the three icons you can see on the status bar, click on them, then hit this down arrow icon to go to the next page, and here click the hotspot option to enable it. Now, to manage your hotspot, you can right click this icon, select go to settings, and this way you will be able to change the settings of your hotspot. First of all, you can change the way you're transmitting your data either through Wi-Fi signal or Bluetooth. Now, you can also switch the power saving on and off if you want to. You can turn it off if you want to the mobile hotspot to not disconnect all devices automatically when they're inactive, or switch it on will do the opposite. You can check the properties and also connect to your mobile hotspot easily by scanning this QR code right here. You can also check the devices that are connected to your hotspot, which can either connect to it by scanning this QR code or just finding your hotspot on the networks lists and entering the password when they try to connect to it. The password is located right here. And that's basically it. Now, to disable it, do the same thing, open the same menu, go right here, click this icon, and this way you will disable your hotspot. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.